How to hide Instagram messages without deleting. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your Instagram messages without deleting them. So let's get started. First of all, head over to your messages and let's say you're going to select a chat which you wish to hide. For example, we're going to click on this one over here that is at the top. So once you do so, first thing that you need to do is simply memorize the username. That's really important first. So you're going to click on the username and then you'll be able to see this option that says privacy and safety. Click on it and you'll be able to see this option restrict. But before that, make sure you remember the username and then click on restrict and then click on restrict again. Now, once you go back to your chats, you'll be able to see that the chat has been hidden from your feed. Now, if you wish to unrestrict that or if you wish to see the hidden chats, what you gotta do is simply go back, go to the search bar and type in that username. So let us type in that username and then you're gonna click on that profile. After that, you're gonna click on message over here. Once you do so, you'll be able to see your chat over here, but the chat has been hidden from the chat feed. Now, if you wish to bring it back over there, you're gonna simply click on unrestrict and click on accept. Once you do so, when you go back to your messages, for example, we're going to go to messages and now you can see that the chat has been unhidden. So that is basically how you can hide Instagram chats without deleting them. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.